Hey everyone, I hope you're all doing good. My name is Sandeep Goswami and this is my YouTube channel, Sandeep Goswami Classes. So today we will talk about Indian judiciary system. We will not discuss that how it works, but our main focus will be why justice takes so long. From filing an FIR to court hearing and finally getting a decision whether it is a bail or a judgment of guilt, especially in the long-term pending cases. We all know that understanding our judiciary system is not easy. Every step in our Nyayapalika represents a new level to know better, like how penal laws work. From filing an FIR at a police station to hiring a lawyer and finally reaching a court for a hearing and a decision. Sometimes for a victim, the entire journey, the entire process to get true justice becomes a punishment itself. So in this video, I'll talk about is there any way to make the entire judicial system more organized and efficient, or whether our today's technology can play a very major role to improving our system. And I will also discuss that how a long-term pending cases that takes years to reach on a final decision can be resolved within months or even days. So here's the solution that how our new judiciary system should work in more organized way. For example, if a victim wants to file an FIR in a criminal case at a police station, there should be newly integrated system that once the FIR registered, the victim will notify with its digital copy immediately. Then the case can be monitored through an application where all the pending and resolved cases along with the progress will update regularly. And also while filing the FIR, the following details must be provided, like who is the victim, what is the crime, location of the incident, who committed the crime, the accused person, and all other relevant details. And once the FIR registered, the application will immediately update it as a new case and send the notification to all the selected lawyers who are already registered on the platform. And based on their records, experience, and expertise, the system will notify only the relevant lawyers like criminal lawyers, civil lawyers, and family lawyers. And also a very important point that if the matter can be resolved through the local police, it will proceed accordingly. Otherwise, the lawyer will be the second best option. And we can also add a bidding feature that will help victim to find a lawyer according to their budget. Now, this system will help the victim to find a lawyer without getting in too much hassle or endless discussion with multiple lawyers, which often waste a lot of money. Now coming to the second platform, and it will be directly connected between lawyers and the courts while also allowing other relevant parties to track and follow up on all the case updates. And coming to a previous example, that once the victim has found the best lawyer through the first application, then the lawyer can proceed to file an appeal in a court using the second platform. Now the case will be managed by a court-authorized digital platform which will develop in coordination with the judiciary and all other relevant government authorities. And through this application, all the appeals, hearing dates, and the case progress will be scheduled and updated in a very transparent manner. And all the parties will be notified accordingly and also regarding possibly changes such as unavailability of a judges. Now this system will reduce the need for victim to visit the court again and again, and when everything is properly scheduled for a specific date and time, then all the parties can be present accordingly, which will also reduce the unnecessary delays. And there should be a fixed timeline for every case according to the government rules and court guidelines. An official rule and policy should be clearly mentioned that the certain types of cases must be completed within a specific time. And if the case is not completed within the given time, then the concerned authority must provide a written reason for the delays to the higher authorities. And if the reason is not valid, then appropriate action and accountability measures should be taken. Now, this system will help all the registered courts, lawyers, and judges to stay organized and follow proper timeline and guidelines. And it will bring more responsibility and discipline into our judiciary system. So, overall, this approach and process will help to speed up the legal process and ensure that the cases are resolved on time. And all the lawyers and judges should be evaluated based on the quality and the quantity of the cases they dispose of. Then the government should introduce a performing-based incentive and recognition to all the lawyers and judges to encourage their efficiency and accountability. And when these two systems will finally take place, one from the filing an FIR to appointing a lawyer, and another from the court proceeding to the final judgment, along with the use of modern technology to organize the entire legal process, then a system becomes more efficient and transparent. And I believe that it will help all those victims who are stuck in a long-term pending cases for years will finally get relief, not to wait endlessly for their true justice. Thank you so much. Hey everyone, I hope you like my video of why justice takes so long in India and how a new age startup can fix it. If you have any questions or any doubt, then you can connect me on my Instagram or my LinkedIn, or you can mail me at the given email address in the description. And yes, if you like the video, then do subscribe my channel Sandeep Goswami Classes for the more upcoming videos, and don't forget to share this video with your fellow founders.